Hello everyone, I'm back with the next parts of speech, that is the adjective. As you can see, so many adjectives are there on your screen, but before that, let's discuss what is an adjective. An adjective is a word which describes or gives more information about a noun or a pronoun. I hope all of you know what is a noun or what is a pronoun. Naming words are called nouns, and the word which we use in place of a noun are called pronouns. So, noun and pronoun have a relation with the adjective because this is the word which describes or gives more information about them. क्योंकि ये एडजेक्टिव वर्ड हमें कुछ भी नई इन्फॉर्मेशन देता है अबाउट द नाउन और द प्रोनाउन. So let's take the example of a flower. Flower, it is a noun. It's the name of a thing. And adjective for flower is used here, that is the beautiful. क्योंकि फ्लावर बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है, बहुत ही सुंदर है, ये हमें पता चल रहा है विद द एडजेक्टिव ब्यूटीफुल विच is describing the noun flower. Next example is house, and the adjective used here is the big. Big is the adjective because this word is giving us more information about the noun, that is the house. घर के बारे में कुछ और बता रहा है, वो word होगा adjective, and that is big. In the simple words, adjective describes noun और pronouns, क्योंकि adjectives जो हैं वो noun और pronoun को describe करते हैं, उसके बारे में हमें कुछ नई information देते हैं, उनको हम कहते हैं adjectives. इन सिंपल वर्ड्स इनको हम डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स भी कहते हैं, क्योंकि ये डिस्क्राइब करते हैं नाउन और प्रोनाउन को कि कोई चीज़ स्मॉल है, कलर क्या है, कैसी है, ओल्ड है, कर्वी है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो हेयर आर सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स लाइक बिटर, कड़वा, cuddly, deafening, indigo, sparse, narrow, old, and rabbit. All these are the examples of the adjectives, as you must know that there are so many adjectives. These are only a few one, but all these are defining the noun or the pronoun. Some more examples are there like serious, old, rich, strong, happy, clean, soft, handsome, fast, low, great, beautiful, sick, free, big, friendly. So many adjectives are there, but the only way to recognize them that they describe the noun or the pronoun. Next is beautiful, spectacular, and radiant. As from this, you can see three words are defining the flower noun. So, on your screen, you can see so many other examples of the adjective like ashamed, attractive, auspicious, awesome, awful, abstential, abundant, abashed, abatable, abatic, bad, bashful, beautiful, belligerent, beneficial, best, big, bitter, bizarre, black. All these words are the adjectives because these words are used to describe the noun or the pronoun, because they are used always in front of a noun और अ प्रोनाउन. ये हमेशा नाउन और प्रोनाउन से पहले यूज़ होते हैं. एडजेक्टिव्स आर ऑलवेज यूज्ड इन front of a noun, and they always explain about, yeah, telling us something about the noun or the pronoun. Let's have some more examples, like if we are talking about the size of a thing of like a noun, तो उसके लिए हम ये वाले एडजेक्टिव्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं लाइक बिग, स्मॉल, लार्ज, ह्यूज, लिटिल, शॉर्ट, टॉल, टाइनी. व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द साइज ऑफ अ नाउन मीन्स अ थिंग, तो हम ये वाले एडजेक्टिव्स यूज़ करते हैं. एंड इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द टेक्सचर लाइक स्मूथ, सॉफ्ट, हार्ड, woven, rough, slippery, fuzzy, crunchy. So all these adjectives tell us about the texture of the things. And if we are talking about the shapes like circle, square, flat, sphere, round, cone, oval, and white. Same if you are talking about the feelings, then we can use the adjectives like angry, happy, funny, kind, silly, sweet, gentle, and sad. And if we are talking about the time, then we use the adjectives like ancient, early, fast, late, quick, rabbit, slow, swift. So all these things you must kept in your mind, that if you, whenever you are describing a noun or a pronoun, how you have to use the adjectives. You can use the adjectives according to the size, texture, shape, feeling, and the time of the noun or the pronoun. These words gives us some more information about the noun or a pronoun. So these words are called the adjectives because they are telling something more. They are describing the noun for which we are using them. These words always used in front of a noun or a pronoun because these words will definitely give us more information about the noun or the pronoun. ये हमें उनके बारे में कुछ और information देंगे, इसलिए हम इनको adjectives कहते हैं और हम इनको use करते हैं हमारी चीज़ जिस तरह की भी है according to the size, texture, shape, feeling or time. So let's remind once again that adjectives tells us more about nouns. Adjectives हमें nouns के बारे में कुछ भी और information देंगे तो उनको हम adjectives कहते हैं. An adjective usually comes before a noun, कि ज़्यादातर जो adjectives हैं वो noun से पहले लगाए जाते हैं. For example, John lives in a new house. यहाँ पर John एक नए घर में रहता है. घर के बारे में हमें कुछ और नई इन्फॉर्मेशन बता रहा है एडजेक्टिव न्यू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ वी रिप्लेस दिस एडजेक्टिव न्यू विद द बिग, जॉन लिव्स इन अ बिग हाउस, तो ये हमें घर के बारे में फिर कुछ और नई इन्फॉर्मेशन देगा. सो ये वर्ड्स होंगे एडजेक्टिव्स क्योंकि दे आर गिविंग अस इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द नाउन्स. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, शी टेल्स an exciting story. Now exciting word is giving us more information about the story, so this is the adjective. Next is I met a handsome man. Handsome man, man is the noun here, and about that noun man, the word handsome is giving us some more information that the man is very handsome. जिस पर्सन के बारे में हम, जिस मैन के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो बहुत ही हैंडसम है, जिससे मैं मिला था वो बहुत ही हैंडसम है, तो उस मैन के बारे में जो हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है, दैट वर्ड इज़ कॉल्ड द एडजेक्टिव. I hope you understood this now. So let's read the types of adjective. There are total 8 types like descriptive, demonstrative, distributive, interrogative, numeral, quantitative, proper and possessive. And in the next coming videos, I'm going to explain them. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.